Random number between 0 and 1. I want a random number between 0 and 1, like 0.3452. I used random.randrange 0, 1, but it is always 0 for me. What should I do?
You can use random.uniform.
Random.random does exactly that. If you want really random numbers, and to cover the range, 0, 1.
I want a random number between 0 and 1, like 0.3452. Random.random is what you are looking for. From Python docs, random.random return the next random floating point number in the range, 0.0, 1.0. And BTW, why your try didn't work? Your try was random.randrange 0, 1. From Python docs, random.randrange return a randomly selected element from range start, stop, step. This is equivalent to choice range start, stop, step, but doesn't actually build a range object. So, what you are doing here, with random.randrange A, B, is choosing a random element from range A, B, in your case, from range 0, 1. But, guess what? The only element in range 0, 1 is 0, so, the only element you can choose from range 0, 1 is 0, that's why you are always getting 0 back.
You can use numpy.random module. You can get array of random number in shape of your choice you want.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.